Hey guys, in today's video, I will be sharing a thrift flip, or was it a flop? I will also be sharing some styling tips in my master bedroom, so stay tuned. So this is the before, and this lamp was $9.99 at the Goodwill. And guys, to be totally honest, my first thought was to bring this home and spray paint it. And I probably should have followed my first thought, because when I cleaned the lamp, it didn't turn out so well. Well, first of all, it was crazy work to get this lamp cleaned. So now let me show you what the clean lamp looks like. I did get 2 of these. Okay guys, so you can surely see the difference in the clean lamp. It's definitely a brighter a brighter color, but what the problem is the glass. So with all of the cleaning, I believe the glass got moisture underneath, and so it has a cloudy appearance. And so that's why I'm considering this a flip fail. So what I'm going to do is see if my husband can unscrew the lamp and try and clean the glass. Because if I can't get this glass clear, then I don't like the lamp. You see how beautiful the clear glass is on the other side? Yeah, that's what I had hoped it would look like. So let's see if we can fix this and make it a success. Otherwise, this is definitely a flip fail. So let's see how things work out. Okay guys, so once again, my husband came to the rescue. He was able to take the lamp apart and clean the crystal area, and it turned out great. It actually almost looks better than the original. So now let me get the other one cleaned up, and then I'll style it on my nightstand. So here I'm going to show you a quick demonstration on some of the products that I tried to use on the brass, and let you know which one I think worked best. Okay guys, so these products here was taking forever to get the brass clean. So I went and picked up some Brasso. This Brasso cleaner, and I'm gonna try that. You see all of this right here? Yeah. Some of it came off, and actually while I was at the store picking up the Brasso, my husband tried to clean it, and he did a good job. He gave me a good head start, but now I'm going to try the Brasso, and it said put a generous amount on and then wipe it off, but for stubborn stains, which I think this is, what I think I'll do is leave it on for like 5 minutes and then come back and wipe it off. Okay guys, so it has been 5 minutes. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, see, that came off really good. I don't know if you can see it because there's a glare from the overhead light, but this is coming off much better. Much better. Oh yeah. See that? And so I have the camera in one hand, so I'm gonna put it down and then give it a really good polish. And then see, that came off really nice. And then I'm gonna go ahead and style these. I'm so glad this worked. because I was about to toss these out in the backyard. So tell me this, what do you guys think about this brown marble? I'm not in love with it. We'll see what happens when we get to its resting place. All right, guys, let's go ahead and style it. Woo. All right. Okay, yeah, I wanted to show you what the rag looked like. See all that stuff that was on there? Yes. All right. And I also found another little treasure at Goodwill, and I only paid $1.99 for it. And all I needed to do with this is to clean it up. And you guys might remember this bowl. I recently shared in a Goodwill haul, and it's just a simple wooden bowl that was brown, and I gave it a faux finish, and so now I'm going to use it as a floral container for some hydrangeas. So the lamp turned out beautiful, and I only needed to purchase a shade from HomeGoods.